Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel intro in Filmora. First, gather a collection of high-resolution images that you want to feature in your intro. These could be anything from personal photos to iconic superhero shots. Next, import all your selected images into Filmora and drag them onto your timeline. For that classic rapid-fire effect, adjust the duration of each image to about 3 frames. This creates a quick, dynamic slideshow. To achieve that signature Marvel look, apply a dissolve transition between each image. This creates a smooth, almost comic book-like page flip effect. Once you have your initial sequence, duplicate it several times to extend the overall length of your intro to around 7 to 10 seconds. Now, add a deep red gradient background to your timeline. Then, overlay a standard title text, which you will customize in the next step. Now, let's customize your text. Change the font to a bold, impactful style, such as Bibaznu, which is often pre-installed in Filmora. Adjust the text size and letter spacing to ensure it fills the screen effectively, mimicking the iconic Marvel Studios logo. For a dynamic touch, apply a pan and zoom effect to your text. Set it to zoom out, starting close and moving outward, to create that powerful, expanding feel. To give your intro a truly cinematic feel, add black bars at the top and bottom using the Cinema 21:9 overlay effect. This instantly elevates the professional look. Don't forget to add some epic, tension-building background music to complete the experience. Finally, when you're ready, export your video in a high-quality format like MP4 with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a frame rate of 30 frames per second. And speaking of valuable resources, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.